Let's make some dogs.
They call them the Diamond Dogs.
To make your basic dog, take a balloon about 5 to 6 inches uninflated at the end. Start at the knot, work your way towards the uninflated end. We're going to start by making a 2-inch bubble for the muzzle and then a couple of 1-inch or 1.5-inch bubbles for the ears. There's your chain. Lock twist these two together. Now make a 1-inch bubble for the neck. Now do 2.5 to 3-inch bubbles for the front legs. And just twist them together like that. Now we're going to leave about 4 inches for the body. And now we're going to make 2 more bubbles that are the same length as these. So 2.5 to 3 inches. There's your chain. Lock twist these two together just like we did with the front legs. And that is how you make a basic dog.
You ain't nothing but a hound dog, you're crying all the time.
To make a wiener dog, start with your balloon once again uninflated, about 5 to 6 inches at the end. Now to begin with, we're going to make a longer snout than we did with the previous dog. So you want that to be about 2.5 to 3 inches. Now we're going to make a loop that's about 2.5 inches, 3. So it should look like that, and then you twist it up into a loop. Now we're going to push the snout through the loop like this. Now you see you've got the long floppy ears hanging down and the muzzle. And now we're going to make a 1-inch bubble for the neck. Now we're going to make a couple of short legs, so about 2 inches is good. There's your chain. Lock twist these two together. Now we want a nice long body, so about here is good. That's about, I don't know, 6, 7 inches. And now make, like the front legs, make a couple of 2-inch bubbles or whatever length those are. Just match them. There's your chain. Lock twist these together. Now the final step is to take this 1-inch bubble that we're using for the neck and just poke it into the loop a little bit so this stays put with the ears sticking down. And you have made a wiener dog. The poodle is just a little bit more complicated than the 2 other dogs we already done. So you want to start with your balloon, about 8 inches uninflated at the end, 7 to 8 inches. We need a lot of room to make that tail. We're going to start by making a 1-inch bubble for the muzzle. Now we're going to do a 1/2-inch bubble, a 1.5-inch bubble, and another 1/2-inch bubble to finish off the hair. So, just like that, you now have the head of your poodle. Now make a 1-inch bubble for the neck. And for the front legs, we're going to do a 1.5-inch bubble, 2 1/2-inch bubbles, and then another 1.5-inch bubble. There's your chain. Lock twist these two together. So now you've got the front legs and a little pom-pom feet. Come along about 3 inches for the body. And then we're going to do the back leg same as we done the front. So 1.5 inch bubble, 2 1/2 inch bubbles, another 1.5 inch bubble. There's your chain. Lock twist these together. And now all that's left is to put the little pom-pom at the tail here. So grab whatever you got left. Do a light twist. And what we're going to do is pinch it right here below this last bubble. And then we're going to push this towards your hand. It's going to force the air up. See? Now, come along underneath it. Push it again. You just want it up there at the end. And that's it. You have a poodle with a pom-pom on the end. If you enjoyed this content, please like and subscribe. We make new videos every time a dog fetches a stick. And if there's a balloon figure you'd like to learn how to make, ask for it in the comments down below. If it's not too complicated, I'll make a tutorial for it.